Hey guys, what is up today? I'm Aaron with Heathen218, film director, and also your tech tips of the day, also film director. So I'm gonna go ahead and, what do we got here? Apricot wheat, that's pretty good, 1554. Miller Lite for the guests, or not light, that's Miller High Life, whatever. That's for the guests anyways. I'm gonna have some premium beer here because that's what I like. Oh, shut the door there, bud. So today I want to show you guys how to install a shield, whatever, frame guard on a 2022 KTM 300 Xc-w. I've never done it before. I got this shield. I really wish I would have gotten another different shield, but Enduro Engineering, I think they're a really good company. So it's gonna work good, except it's not gonna protect my pipe probably from damage like that and stuff like that. But anyways, it'll do the job, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hopefully you guys can learn something from my video if you need some tips. Very delicious. I got a KTM kit here. Got some bolts from I don't know what this foam is for. I already dinged up the frame. There's some installation instructions. Don't take my word for this situation. This one goes somewhere there. That one goes on the back. I think you have to take the front. I'm not even going to look at the instructions. I'm going to need some more of the SCO juice. That is so good. Let's see. So, yep. Just gonna put that down there. Mock this up. Oh yeah. Man, that's gonna be nice. Boy, you could just about bolt that thing right up. I don't even know what this is for. Do you think I should look at the instructions? I don't know. First step. Be sure to drain the oil and put fresh oil in it so that you don't have to drop the shield down again. That's a great idea. Huh. And then apply self-adhesive strips on the frame where it will come in contact with the skid plate. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and clean this up real good. Yeah. That frame definitely hasn't had too much damage. Just a little bit. That's what this is for. It says it right in the instructions. Everything you need to know. Richie Rich Comic Service Bulletin Information, or whatever that's called. How much of this do we need? Is there gonna be enough for both? Oh yeah, there's plenty. You can put as much as you want on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start right there. Get a little bit of this. Hey, I'm gonna need those. That's probably a good paper holder. Man, it's hot today. I should have had my Daisy Dukes on. It's like 76 degrees. If you guys are lucky, we'll have a editor back doing videos quite soon here, hopefully, when he's done with training. And then maybe he can cut some of this bullshit out for you. But if I'm the one editing, I'll probably just leave this in for you guys to suffer through. You can hit the fast forwards button. But that should do pretty well. And then probably look at these instructions again. Position the skid plate strap onto the top of the frame rails. Like right here? Is this what they're talking about? Oh yeah. Why would you put it right there though? I feel like that's not a very good spot for it. Well, that's what they want. They want it back there, I bet. No. I don't know, I can't fucking read this. Instructions. Boy, would it be nice to have somebody that could read to help me with this. I can't figure out what this even says. I think it goes up here or something. If there wasn't so much dirt falling off this thing, I think I could probably get this job done. It does say something about dirt. Remove that and stuff. I don't care. I'm not worried about that stuff. Yeah, that should be the way that it goes. But shouldn't you be able to... Where does this go then? I don't know. Something like this. I bet you put those screws. Yep. That's probably what you do. I bet it is, but that's what these are for. Those would be handy. Well, let's put this back up here. I think I can do this. Nope, can't do it that way. Yep, sure. Just hold it up there. It's probably fine. Oh yeah. Got one bolt threaded in. Might have some more bolts threaded in soon. You guys don't have to watch this part if you don't want. To be honest with you, if you want to just start installing your shield right now, you probably can do that. I'm not helping anything, I don't think, showing you how to do this. You can do it better on your own than I can do it. I'm just here more or less to be moral support for y'all. But look at that, easy. 4 screws. If I would have known how to do that, it would have been 5 minutes and I would have had this shield installed. So simple and quick. Look at that. I only wish that I had a farther shield. They have really cool shields that go over the pipe. For the stuff that I'm doing, I'm not going to need those anyways. Take it, wind, I don't care. But for the stuff that I'm doing with it, I really possibly don't even have to. I wish I had washers for these. I won't need them anyways. That's fine. Oh, I was gonna get some instructions on that to see if it was whatever. Do I need them? Probably not. Never use an impact to install stuff. In my previous tech tips I might have mentioned that, but that's fine. Oh yeah, she's tight. Probably should wear some safety glasses so the dirt doesn't get in your eyes. That's just a recommendation and stuff. But anyways, I'll probably forget to tighten these down later. You guys get the gist of it. Tighten these bolts down, tighten everything down. Maybe do it by hand, it's probably ideal. But anyways, don't forget to install your sticker. If you like my tech tips with Aaron, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want, hit the bell button. But until next time, peace.